Ok, aquí está el problema. Oh, shit. Aquí está el problema. Ve. El alambre ahí se ha tangled up. Mira. Ya. Lo que voy a hacer, lo voy a cortar ahí. Y voy a subir la ventana para ordenar un nuevo regulator. Yeah, baby. Alright, so at this point, I took the window out, had to take the trim, the weather seal, the trim on the outside, and what else? Oh, and this one right here. This one. I think it was T30. It goes right in there. And that was to take the window out, la ventana, para sacar la ventana. Para después sacar el motor, the regulator. So yeah, we had to take the window out to get the regulator out. And now the regulator looks like it's 2 bolts down there. And I'm guessing this one right here in the middle, the little window, I had to cut this like a gump, yeah. Okay. But yeah, this. Window fixed, everything back in place, panel, everything. Maybe just broke one clip down here, but yeah, sorry, Pedro. So let's see if it works. Oh, there you go. Just gotta hold the button down. Hey, baby. Okay, down. Let's go back up. Alrighty, looking good.